Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? Oh, it's May already, isn't it? Yep, it is May 1st of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. Seems like time just keeps on ticking. We are just along for the ride. But yeah, we're back for another stream. Today is auto-update day, but I don't know that we're going to look at it because I don't think it's a particularly interesting one. The only thing that I know that updated was Pi upgrade, and not a super interesting update at that. Although maybe we'll do some stuff with that. Depends how quickly we get through the main focus of today, which is to try and fix deadsnakes again and rewrite Debian's minimum dependencies checker thingy thing. I've done exactly what I need to write today before in 2 different ways, so we will take a look at that and try and maybe learn from some of the past things I've written, but maybe not. I think they might have been the old style import hooks and not the new style ones, so it might not work, but we'll try it. We'll see what's up. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC is first. That's what a cube. You were so close. You were definitely first for premium chat. Thank you for the resub at... Wait, let me replay it. Let me click on the button. I forgot to open it up. My bad. Thank you for the resub at 24 months, 2 years. Which gets you a fancy new badge. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again. Meat Sauce is also here. Hello, hello. Long time no see. Yeah. I went on vacation. Let me share a picture. We'll get one picture. I don't want to open all these. So you'll get one picture. But I went on a vacation to New York with my new partner. Here's a photo of us in front of tiny flowers. So we're gonna take photos. But yeah. So that was beginning of the month. I was busy with that. Then I finally finished the inheritance shenanigans with my grandmother who passed away a year ago. And so we visited the cottage that was part of the resolution of that and did a whole bunch of work on furniture repairs and stuff like that. And then I had PyCon. So it's just kind of a string of, oops, no stream because I'm busy. Pari, thank you for the resub at 17 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Kevin McFly, hello, how you doing? J-Man's here. How you doing? Like you abandoned us, just like my parents did. Oh no. Nope. Stream's gonna happen. Stream will be here. I am switching my YouTube video upload schedule. I was getting kind of the point where, one, I feel like I'm running out of ideas that I think are interesting and stuff that I want to talk about. But also 3 videos a week is just, it's difficult to keep that pace and also have a real life. And yeah, so I'm gonna try and do 1 video a week. I think that's easily doable. Haven't decided what day it's going to be on, but probably Monday. Start your week with an AWC video, but we'll see how that goes. Zithrius, hello, how you doing? J-Man says, and they went to the White Lotus Hotel. I don't even know what that is. Is that a thing? White Lotus Hotel. Why? There's like a whole bunch of unrelated things. There's one in Sicily. There's one in Maui. I don't know, but I did not go there. He's gonna be on season 3. Oh, is it a TV show? I see. Cool. But anyway, yep. So that's kind of that update and why I've been missing. I don't think I have any open source stuff since last time. Oh yeah. Okay, we have one thing. Someone opened a like, this link is out of date issue, and I'm like, I just, there's no reason to have this in the docs. Like, you can just look it up if you want. So I just deleted this line of code. That's much easier than trying to keep it up to date and trying to deal with whatever changes this external site has, and who knows how long these things stay. And not worth trying to keep that up to date. So I just deleted it, and I did it for my phone. So I think that means, yeah, got the little GPG signed commit because I did it for my phone. But fuck that line. And that's the only open source I've really done since last time. This is what we did on stream. It should be yeah, okay. Which allows a parallel version of auto update. Oh, I guess I was gonna release pre-commit. Maybe we'll make a release at some point. Meat Sauce says, "What does colon? What does this mean?" So in a larger regular expression, so you have a regular expression like this. This question mark colon is a non-capturing group. So if you have, let's just say, let's do an example. Import RE, reg equals RE.compile, non-capturing group of dot, and then a capturing group of dot. And if we do reg.match AB, you'll see that match 1 will be B. So this is a group, but it's non-captured. In that case, it's not very useful. But if you were to do like a question mark after it, making that optional, well, a single character, you wouldn't do it with a single character. Well, yeah, okay. Anyway, you wouldn't use question mark on a single character, but imagine that this is a more complicated group than just a single dot. You would not want to capture this first part. You don't want it to be part of a group. That way, if you needed to access just this, which is the interesting bits, you wouldn't have to do match 2. You would just do match 1. And so it's a way to make a non-capturing group. And it looks a little funny to do question mark colon colon, because the colon is the literal text. This is the special project matching stuff. Soy Pete, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you doing? Had to end stream because my voice is giving out. That might be me today. I woke up this morning and felt a little bit sick. My throat was scritchy. But how was your stream? What'd you work on? Oh, how is it going? How are you doing? Good to see you again. For those of you that don't know that are joining from the raid, my name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python stuff. Some of the things that I maintain are Precommit, PyTest, Tox, Flake8, deadsnakes, PyFlakes, PyUpgrade, and about 50 other projects. And today we're working on deadsnakes. We're going to be working with some import hook things to try and figure out what modules of the standard library depend on what other modules of the standard library, and then build a graph from that, and then do some graph problem things. So Pete says, working on a Golang web service course for O'Reilly Media. Oh, are you writing a book? Or are you doing like an online course? That sounds cool. I've always thought about writing a book, and I feel like I could write a good book, but I feel like it would take so much of my time. I barely have enough time to do my like YouTube stuff, and a book is way more. Oh, an online live course. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's probably a little bit more in my realm, but even that feels a little bit daunting. I've been slowly trying to put together like how I would do a curriculum of starting from assuming you know nothing. You know how to click on computer, but that's about it. To like, how do you become good and comfortable in the terminal? How do you learn a programming language that you're comfortable with? How do you learn, I don't know, if you're interested in web dev or embedded systems or whatever the fuck else. Like how do you figure out how to learn, sort of. But I have only gotten partway through teaching 2 people doing that, and we'll see how if that ever pans out and if I ever turn it into more of a thing. But I don't know. It'd be cool to just do stream and education stuff, but there's so much other stuff to do that I don't know. But anyway, let's look at the problem that we have to solve today. Which is I've started doing this. Actually, I think this mods.py is wrong because there's certain models in here that don't exist. Oh, okay, it works now, but has Deprecation warnings. Okay, that's fine. But there's this special PyMinDeps thing, which has a special module finder, which we're going to ignore. It has a list of guarded imports. Guarded imports. Yeah. It's just raising import error. How does this possibly work then? My MF. Okay, so star arcs and star quarks. Fucking love that for me. Why does it get instantiated at all then? Path debug exclude. Run script. What is this class? Module finder. Find modules used by a script using introspection. Oh, I have never heard of this thing before. Huh. This is cool. Did I go to PyCon? I did go to PyCon. But I didn't really get to do PyCon. I was mostly at the Sentry booth the entire time. I did meet up with a bunch of viewers and with a bunch of open source people and had some chats and stuff. But yeah, I didn't go to any talks. I didn't really do any of the open spaces things. I didn't give a talk. Stuff that I usually do at PyCon, but maybe next time. Maybe next time I will negotiate partial booth time instead of the exhausting, like, I did like 2 hours the first day, I did 9 hours the second day, and then I did like 3 hours the third day. It was a lot. It was too much. But how does this thing work? How is this supposed to work? How does this work here? Oh, old imp constants. Okay, that's kind of funny. An import lib reimplementation of imp.find module for our purposes. Huh. Okay, we're maybe we don't reimplement this. Maybe we just cheat for today. What was C built in? Yeah, C built in. Yeah, so we can just call the parent one. Super.find module name path parent. Imp equals package directory. Is that good enough to make this thing work? Maybe we don't do all this. Dictionary key platform repeated with different data. Yeah. Don't know why that one's out of order. Local variable do mods is assigned but never used. Do mods. If -m do mods equals 1. Okay, clearly this is dead. Well, you know what? We're not going to clean up the rest of the script. Okay, in theory that works. I don't remember how to build this though. Fix piemin deps for... Actually, let's just try it. Debian piemin deps mods.py. It did something. It didn't crash. Cool, I guess. Seems fine. Huh. The types module really do pull in everything, doesn't it? Interesting. Okay, cool. That might be simpler than rewriting the script, and to be fair, I don't really... this is easy enough. Then I don't really want to rewrite the script. Bet time? Okay, yep, true. Here we go. Start prediction. Does this fix... What is it called? Piemindeps? Mindeps? Mindeps.py? Yes and no. You can gamble your points away, and I guess if this works, I'm not going to end stream after 15 minutes, but we'll work on something else. But there's your bet. Get commit -m fix piemindeps for imp disappearing. I need to figure out how to do the actual update though. Nightly, looks like a juicy no bet. Yeah, holy shit, you put so many on yes. That's when Cube's got 10k on yes. We got 2 people putting in, oh, there's a big no. Calzoon jumping in with a big no. Energia says, I bet no, but I can't bet any points. Oh, you're in a country that that prevents that. That makes sense. Makes sense. Also, welcome to the stream. How you doing? All right. Reusable workflows. Update nightly. Where is script? Nightly update branch Target Ubuntu blah blah. Okay, so runbooks nightly update branch dot Ubuntu Jammy. I think that's how this works. And then I need to run build with a special argument. Runbooks build -- git build. Runbooks build -- git build. Cool. We will let that go. All right. I'm gonna see. I guess we can release pre-commit. That is definitely something that is easy to slot into that time. I'm gonna make sure this actually starts. But then we'll go at it. Get pull, prune, get branch. All right, sweet. Decorate one line first parent. I'm also gonna have to update the roost version of this because I think the arguments have drifted a little bit. Calvin says, "I'm sorry for the big no. Hungry for the bets." No, it's all good. It's all good. Bet your points as you do. Change log 3.3.0 2023 0501. We're trying to get what, 1 minor release a month? Yeah, that sounds fine. Features, upgrade Ruby build. 2846 PR by this individual. Use Blobless Club for a faster auto update. 2859 PR by me. This one does not need to get called out, nor this one. add -j jobs argument or parallel to auto update for parallel execution. Issue by Gabber your number 2863 PR by silly. It's all features, no fixes. I guess that's fine. 330 get show name only format equals 3.2.0. What did we change here? Need a space. Okay, that's all we need, I guess. Is it still chugging away? Good. Good. Perfect. V330. There we go. Ah, shit. I didn't do my password manager. All right. Was 2958 wrong? Oh, it should be 2859. Good call. We'll cancel this. And also, give me 1 sec to log my password manager. All right, we're back. Okay, so I fucked it up. Thank you, Barton. Appreciate that. Oh, yeah, this is not right. Should be 2859. I guess I'll check the other ones too. 2846. Yep. 2859. Yep. 2863. Sweet. Thank you for that. Good catch. I would have never noticed that. I don't know that anyone else would have noticed that either. Probably would have just been wrong forever. Do this. Actually, it's a good thing that I didn't off my password manager because I would have gotten it wrong. Alright, paste that in here. And push order head tags. Bypassing rule violations. Yeah. That is intentional. Testing zip app. Oh, we gotta do this first. Also, should I fix this? Because it'd be nice for it to actually work again. Maybe we'll do that. I haven't worked on Tox in a while. We'll fix that. Maybe. Yeah. We're just doing everything today. We open that. Testing zip app make. 330. Try it a few times until Pip figures its shit out. Sweet. Oh, is the streaming YouTube break? I miss streaming a bit. YouTube break was fine, although every time I looked at the numbers on my studio dashboard, I got a little sad. Because, YouTube is real happy to be like, hello? Hello? YouTube is real happy to point out real sad things here, but only a 35% reduction in views while not uploading a video actually isn't that bad. So I mean, I was a little sad about seeing down arrow and minus 35%, but I guess that tells me that, you know, my new content accounts for only about 1/3 of my views, and it's probably some amount of acceleration there. So I don't know. That's fine. The maybe the more sad thing is by not streaming, I didn't upload things to the VODs channel. And so, womp womp. Got a negative number here, which is never good to see, but whatever. It is what it is. XTCFN says, hello, Anthony. First time here, so not sure if this is purposeful, but is your Dick Sword header in your profile meant to say Dick Sword? Yes. Welcome to the stream. What is that badge? I don't think I've seen that one before. Brawlhalla. Cool. Welcome, welcome. Yes, it does intentionally say Dick Sword because I'm brain broken and I think it's funny. The other server says, didn't the Talks dev just need the extra dashes? So Talks 4 changed the command line a bit, and specifically the commands, the old commands don't always work, and they're supposed to translate to the new ones, but there's something about the way devenv is implemented and changed that makes it broken in Talks 4. So I think there's still something to fix, but I don't know. We'll find out. Let me finish this releasey thing first. Oh, we gotta update the docs too. The only new thing is the updog changes. Pre-commit v3.3.0. Oh my god! How we doing? Coding Guard, how was your stream? Good to see you as always. Appreciate you stopping by. Got Alka in here too. I've seen Alka before. Alka also streams. But welcome everyone. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python stuff. Today we are doing a mishmash of things. I started by trying to fix, oh god, what is this? Oh, we're just gonna ignore that. Trying to fix my Python builds for the alpha release of 3.12. But I normally work on just Python stuff in general. I maintain some things that you might have heard of, such as PyTest, Flake8, Precommit, deadsnakes, PyFlakes, PyUpgrade, and like 50 other things. But thank you for the raid, and thank you for stopping by. Gotta run, completely understandable. I am also a raid and runner, which is nice. But appreciate the raid and appreciate you stopping by and sending your viewers here. I hope your stream went well. Since Coding Garden's probably headed out. What was it working on? Coding Garden viewers. But welcome Electrothermal and Alka and Default GN and RWX Ganta. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I'm in the middle of making a new release here of one of the libraries that I wrote called Precommit, where I am doing the manual changelog shenanigans, which I am not necessarily a fan of, but it is okay. It is what happens. And yeah, I could automate all this, but then I gotta put credentials in places, and yeah, I know some of the credential stuff has gone away, but we weren't able to create the release. Try again, maybe? Mayafum, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Who just sets the MOTD to hey. Ta-da! Hey. XTCFN says, what keyboard layout do you use? Just boring ass QWERTY. You can maybe see the letters on there, except for my C, which I've worn out. But yeah, it's just standard QWERTY. I've tried to learn, what is it? I tried to learn Colmac once, and I got up to like 30 words a minute, and then I was like, this is gonna be more of a pain in the ass to learn than just sticking with QWERTY. Alka says he was answering questions about his React plus TypeScript course and writing some code stuff. Nice, nice. Yeah, I've heard good things about CG's React TypeScript thing. Dvorak. Wait, is that how it's pronounced? Grandpa's iPad. Thank you for the resub at tier 3 for 31 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you are doing well. Are you a Dvorak keyboardist, typist? I saw on, where was this? Typing world record broken. I saw that the touch typing world record had been set today, or maybe it was yesterday. News? Fuck, I don't know where I saw this. But somebody broke the world record for typing at like 270 something. Yeah, 273. Absolutely zoom in. Zoravar, hello, how you doing? You're a QWERTY boy. I'm a QWERTY boy too. I am in firmly in QWERTY realm. May I link? Yeah, absolutely. Links are enabled unless you abuse them, and then we take them away. But for the most part, yeah, links are free. Is this the video that I saw? Oh, I did that on stream. Brave. Yeah, this is the video that I saw. Absolutely insane. This person has very spindly fingers too, which I guess makes sense why they're pretty good at this. Wait, that looked like a splice. Oh my god, there's sound too. Wait, when they type the word lead, it looks real weird. What happened there? Why does that look like a splice? Like if you see the thing goes backwards and then forwards. Did they hit the backspace key? They must have some other key bound to backspace because they don't actually hit the backspace. Anyway, I'm not gonna try and dissect it, but gonna blame the Twitter conversion? Yeah, it could be that too. It could be that too, but still very impressive. I can hit 130 on a normal day, and I can hit like 150-ish on a real good day. But I've not gotten through a full type racer at 150. I think my highest is 137, but. I'm not even that good. But yeah, that person, absolutely insane. XTC says my best day is 180, but my average is around 140. That's still fucking zoom in. That's still real fast. Okay, this is still building. This hasn't gotten to the min depths part yet, so there's still chance for no. Speaking of type racer, I satisfied. How you doing? That's all lowercase, no punctuation. Yeah, the punctuation is the hard part. Are we doing easy mode or hard mode? I satisfied. I probably have to log in since it's been so long. Guest, yeah. Figures. Me, type racer, grab my password, paste it in here, and watch me be a liar about being fast. Hard is more fun to watch? Oh no. All right, well. How do I change it? They changed where. Oh, here we go. Instant death mode. All right, chat. We're doing hard mode. Make sure to click join. This is gonna be a good one. They still haven't fixed the slash that I reported over a year ago. Make sure to click join in hard mode. You can't make a mistake. Just have to get them all the characters. I think one of my fastest is actually in hard mode though. But it's gonna take us a few. Fuck. Okay. I hit a comma instead of a period. I was going pretty fast though. I got further than anyone else. This is gonna take a while. Do. Welcome to the Type Racer stream. What do you mean? Fuck. Oh, there's some guests still going. And we're busy, was I? No, we're kind of waiting for a build. We had uploaded pre-commit. I was gonna find something else to do. Someone died. Someone got far. Was that you, S1 Cube? But yeah, we usually do hard mode until I finish. Freezing. Okay, well. Fixer Jake, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. This one could be a good one. There's not any weird words. There's a little bit of punctuation. Shit. Damn. From Randall Monroe's What If book. Pretty good. Moving in 10 days, so crazy busy. Oh yeah, moving is so much work. Yeah, infuriating. Yeah, when you're not very accurate, which I am not very accurate. I'm usually like right around like a 98% accurate, 95 to 98. Then hard mode is a beast. Also, these long ones are tough. Fuck. Extraterrestrial fucked me up. It's not a real word. Got you TXTC. I'm hoping we get a short one. These long ones are pain. No, there's no way. This one has a bunch of punctuation. There's no way on this one. Where's Marsha? Marsha needs to roll us. Ooh, okay. Okay. 111, we'll take it. Thank you for the redeem. I satisfied? Oh, we fucking did it. That was pretty slow though. Here, let's do a normal one. Just one normal one, because I feel like I got that a little bit too quickly. Oh, oops. We'll do one normal one. Oh, because I felt like I slowed down to get that one going, which feels a little cheaty. Feels a little not as good. Marsha beats all of us just by existing. Yeah, Marsha is cracked at this. My partner is also cracked at this. She is very fast at typing and very accurate too. Oh man. What was that text? That was terrible. All right, we're gonna do a couple more until I can at least flex my flex some of my typing speed. My girlfriend is a normie non-computer user. Her typing is pretty funny. Oh no. My mom learned on a typewriter, so she absolutely slams her keyboard. It sounds like a machine gun, even if she doesn't have like blues or whatever. But let me make, oh, because some of the guests are still going here. You got 92? That's pretty good. It's pretty good. I feel like when I stream, it's pretty rare that I win, even though I'm decently speedy. We're all way above average. Its average is like 45 or something, kind of slow. But I'm actually limited by my reading speed and my accuracy. If I could read faster, I could type faster. Harry Potter stuff. 130. Okay, I'll take that one. That one's pretty damn good. Thank you for the redeem. I satisfied. Appreciate it. At least I got to show off some of my typing speed there. Cool. How's this going? Imp.py not found. Let's see. Let's see if did MinDeps run? Did it not even get that far? That's weird. Okay, so we don't know whether we fixed it or not. Ah. Oh shit, that thing's gonna fail too. Okay, so we have a little bit more to fix, but how did I word the prediction? The prediction says, does this fix mindeps.py? Well, we don't know the answer to that yet. Okay, so we're not gonna resolve, well, I think we're gonna redo the prediction. We're gonna delete this one, and then we're gonna make a new one, since we got a no answer here. Fix Jake says, I'm about 95 normally, but I'm pretty bad at like actual touch typing, so if I spend some time learning, it could be pretty speedy. Yeah, I cheat. I cheat. I said says my keyboard was in the wrong layout. Oh no. Oh, that sucks. XTC says I'm typically on monkey tap. Ah. I find monkey tap much easier because it's random words. Yeah, the like the phrase there a little bit. So it was no, it wasn't really no. It was null. It was undefined. But I needed to fix this to make sure that worked. And then I think we actually need to fix this module too. Yeah, we do, maybe. Stamp min check. If user bin dot is installed, yeah, so I think we have to fix these other things. Damn. Oh, annoying. Okay, what do we have to do here? Let's just get rid of imp. If type equals this. Where does it get this type from? Color. High depth graph dot main. Eval standard in. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Oh, the fuck? Oh, because it's the output of this script. Oh, I see. Okay, so we're just gonna put module finder here. Then replace this. Module finder. So then we gotta fix this one too. Imp.getMagic. Wolfred, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Belwada's also here. iSatisfied says, did I tell you the news yet? You have not told me the news. You got offered and accepted a new position. Yo, let's go. Data and integration support specialist. Nice, congrats. That's awesome. Griffinborg says, your linters are slow and it matters because I run CI 4.3 million times a day. Dies in roost. Okay, is imp get magic? Python 3 imp. Get magic. Import lib.util.magic number. Import lib. Sys.standard.write. Okay, so in theory we can just run this. Oh man, I made the same typo twice. Sys.argv1. Name. What? Okay. That seems good. Ah, shit. Oh no! No! I did a hard reset like an idiot! Now I gotta redo all that. It wasn't that hard though, so it's not a big deal. Okay. There we go. Alright, cool. It's a software position, doing a lot of database work, but some automation for the IT department. Nice! Nice! Wilfred says, as long as the position supports my Uber Eats habit, I don't care what it is. Oh no. Oh no. Tartine! Hello, hello, how you doing? If it's a relational database, ask Andy about anything. He's literally a wizard with SQL. It's true, it's true. But iSatisfied definitely knows that, because they've been here for three plus years at this point. Follow age, iSatisfied. Oh, your follow age is less than your sub age. Or wait, maybe they're the same. 33 months is 24, 32. Ah. Oh, yeah. 2 years, 8 months, and 30 days. Yeah, okay, that adds up. SQL Server and 1 Oracle DB. Oracle is, yeah. As Wolford says, Oracle SQL equals, oh no, why? Yeah, Oracle is less fun. SQL Server I'm a big fan of. I feel like it works really well. All right, we'll run the same prediction as last time. But this time we'll be a little bit more aggressive. Will the build succeed? Which is probably what I should have done the first time. All right, bet your points, chat. I'll give you a minute to do it. Gonna fire this off and let it go. Let it zoom. You're going all in, Wilfred? Oh no. How many points do you have? Wait, I don't see it. Maybe you don't have that many points. Because right now we've got Grandma's iPad's got 11k on yes, and Calzoon has 11k on no. Wilfred went all in on no. Huh. Such faith you have. Where are you? Oh, Updog. Cool. Anthonk, let me down this one time. Wait, you want me to fail and get you points? Or you want me to succeed and not get you points? Which one of those lets you down? Thinky. Okay, what did I want to do? I wanted to see if there's something easy to do on Pi Upgrade. I think there is. I think there's actually something that, this one? Only the last one can safely be rewritten without type information. Safe config parser. Metalstorm, hello, hello, how you doing? Big parser. Safe it's not even in here. Are they different? Probably a subclass to deprecation warning? Yeah. Okay. So if I have a file that's from config parser import safe config parser as C and pip install reorder python imports, and then do reorder python imports t.py, replace import. I forget the syntax for this. I think it's this. orig.mod equals new.mod adder. So config parser equals, oh wait, it changed, this is not a thing. That's for maintaining a particular attribute. There is not actually a renames, is there? Am I dumb or did 3.12 get rid of distutils? It did get rid of distutils. It's gonna be a big pain in the ass. Wolfred says, don't be the smartest person in the room this one time. I Satisfied says, it still amazes me how long I've been here. Pandemic just rages on, doesn't it? It's been a real long time. Noada says, why on mobile does the Twitch voting not show up? Yeah, that's because the mobile app is always like slightly out of sync with all of the new features. I say new features, but gambling has been in there for a very, very long time. Red Warrior, hello, hello. How you doing? Web dev's trying to do mobile development. Griffithborg says, haha, yup, 3.12 gonna be fun. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. It's gonna be a big pain in the ass. Not just for the distutil stuff, but for some of the, like, imp and distutils are both dying, which is just gonna suck. Gonna be real fun. Did they explain why? Well, the distutils one is rah 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 set of tools, the one true way. Haha, JK. Now you can package in 50 different ways. The imp thing is because it's been subtly wrong and not used by the actual import system for the longest time. But what's the most disruptful minor version since 2.3? Well, I think 3.12 is probably going to be up there, but the collections ABC one, I want to say that was 3.9. That one I think was the one that broke the most packages. Was the collections ABC breakage. That's at least that's the only one I remember. 3.7 was a problem as well because async became a keyword. That one was a big pain in the ass. There was some stuff like pre 3.6 that was problematic, but no one. I think there wasn't as much Python adoption at that point, or Python 3 adoption, so it didn't matter as much. But yeah, the 3.9 was a kind of a pain. Gridware says 3.9 broke one of mine. Yeah. BDI, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, there isn't actually a way to rename symbols. So I don't think that there's a way to do this. Actually, looking at this closer, there isn't a mechanism for replacing symbols. Isn't safe to do. I'm going to decline this. Cool. All right. Embedded type tick produces AST error. Yeah, this is supposed to be done from the inside out. Why does it not? Oh. Oh, because it is inside of this thing. Oh. It doesn't even need to be this complicated. Yeah. Tricky. But I guess we'll fix it. Goodbook says, I can't use Pipegrade Pi39 Plus because of an unnamed library that I'm forced to use. Any guesses? Is it the same library that caused a production outage at Sentry last week? That I fought unsuccessfully to keep out of our code bases? Couldn't possibly be that library, is it? I met the author of that at PyCon. Our interaction was not the best. I was eating lunch. No, it doesn't start with an R. It starts with a P. I was eating lunch, and no, it's not Roost. It's not. Oh, I guess there is. It is Roost now. I was eating lunch, and the other people that I was eating lunch with ate food faster than I did, and so they all left. So I was sitting at a table by myself, and the guy who wrote this, not PyTest, no, Griffinborg's got it. Of course Griffinborg's got it, because Griffinborg's, yeah, the one who was complaining about it. The other sits down at the table with me. I'm like, hi! And I read their badge, and I was like, oh, I know you. I'm Anthony. And he's like, oh, I just sat down here because the table's empty. I need to work on my talk, because I haven't written my talk yet. And then he puts his headphones in. I was like, oh, okay. Cool. I guess I'll just go fuck myself then. Wait, no, T equals... How does this even work? I don't even fucking remember how this syntax works. Is it like this? Something like that? Jack McMahon, hello, how you doing? I would have gone to his talk and asked a bunch of hard questions. Yeah, I didn't even go to any talks. Do you even ask questions at talks? I don't. You in theory can at some of them. Some of them leave time for questions. Is this enough to break this? Yeah, it is. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have an unparse for function calls. Which, if I see the unnamed library part of repo, I tender 2 weeks notice instantly. Yeah, I mean, I kind of understand why you would use it, but I have had very little benefit and very much pain with it so far. Yeah, this is a little annoying. I don't really know what to do about this. It is in theory a bug. Maybe there's a duplicate where I've already done this. Maybe I've already answered this question. Bin OR was added, but not... I guess this is new. Who are you? Oh. Oh, auto update day. Yeah, indeed. Let us click the merge button on all of these. I saw that Git got an upgrade, so we'll probably also just release that one. Boop boop. Yep, Pi upgrade got upgraded. Always fun to see that. It's just enforcing types. It's kind of like a parsing serialization library thing. Oh yes, and this one is still broken because my Pi is broken. So actually, and this was the one I wanted to release too. So maybe we won't do that one. And this one is slow, but we'll auto merge that. Yeah, Pigment CI/runner is going to be failing for a while until MyPy fixes a bug. Due to... oh, I already closed the tab. Due to a mistake in the file object thing. Downsky says, which one of your keyboards do you like the most? The one with WASD or the one with Clop? What? I like the other one better than this one. This one is definitely cooler, but I type better on the WASD keyboard. Grimborg says, none of my repos got their auto update, but if Pi upgrade was bumped, I should see them soon. What do you use for auto merge? I just set required checks, and then I use GitHub's native auto merge. It's good enough for me. That's what Goose says. I think the other one looks cooler. The I don't even know where my partner put it somewhere. I don't know where my keyboard is. It's probably in the closet. Yes, my other keyboard, this one, which has nice clears. Nice clears. The AOC keyboard, yeah, I use this for AOC because I type better on it. But Dunsky says you have a really small keyboard as well in the middle. Is that your real favorite? Yeah, my scene switcher keyboard, which is fun. But yeah, the one with light blue lights. I mean, this has like a white backlight. It has light blue. I guess white is light blue. Forgot how much stuff is in the closet. They look light blue. Yeah, it's probably just the camera being camera doing camera things. All of those. I just manage the emails at the same time. Tomato, yeah. You have some Git macros on the small one, yeah, but I mostly just use it for keyboard for scene switching. And these are all taken right now. And this is supposed to be a layer key, which I don't know what it does. I don't really like macro-y things. Oh, this is getting close to being done. This is the last part. So you might be losing your bet there, Wolfred. Okay, anyway, back to this. Yeah, so in theory, I should probably fix this, but I also am not sure. Fix Jake says, my new keycap set has one with the Vim logo on it. Oh. You got yourself there a Vim key. Do. Cool. This one I don't know if I'm gonna do because it's hard to get right. For a property decorated to explicit call. Who the fuck is ever gonna do this? Oh. Yeah, probably not gonna work on that one. Yeah, this one, I told them exactly what they needed to do. And then they made a PR. And then they didn't finish it, which is annoying. This one might get fixed magically. This one somebody started working on too. Did they finish this? No. Oh, I guess it's technically time for me to look at it because it's green. Plus 235. This seems too much. I'm not gonna read that. Gino's Palolo, how you doing? Anthon, how could you? Yeah, Babby keycap when? Oh. What does the Vim keycap look like? I'd buy some premium merch, but you know, yeah, I need to do that. I know. I need to do stream merch more so than just the stickers, which I really only do on at conferences and stuff. Guess I became a GitHub org owner. You poor soul. You poor soul. Yeah, but looks like they're not gonna finish that one. This one's probably worth doing, but it's tricky. I don't know how this is gonna work. This is tricky because it's hard to know whether this parses in the right version. Yeah. And this one, there's a really shitty attempt by a Lyft engineer. Yeah. Don't mind the cat hair. This is his sleeping spot. Oh, okay. I see. It just says Vim. So we could slap the Babby logo in there. Probably a less detailed version of it. Because the full ASCII art's a bit much. But maybe just the B. Vim Pokemon, yeah, what's the Pokemon logo for? I don't think it's actually, maybe it's a Pokeball. Anything with exact scares me? Yeah, that as it should. Then to restrict a bunch of BS on my primary build? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Barbed wire and heart. Yeah, I don't know what those are either. I don't know, what are these logos? I didn't know what to put there because it's a full size with the 4 extra keys. Oh, I see. Cool. Okay, I don't know that we're gonna work on anything here. Reorder, Python, imports. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. I should really change it from underscores to dashes, but how much shit's gonna break if I change these underscores to dashes? What do you think, chat? Over under on the world imploding? Okay, what could go wrong, right? I know there's probably some stuff in the code to change too. Will that kill Pregame being able to use it? No, that should be fine. I'll probably leave it like this for 1 week and then because GitHub will redirect the things. And I'm pretty sure I had already done this rename at some point, but That one stays because it's the PI normalization. That one stays. Did stream die? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you trolling me? Is shit auto redirect? Yeah, I know GitHub does. Notsta. Hello, how you doing? Half the internet is down. No. Stream died for me too. What the fuck? The dog Mocha. Hello, how you doing? My dad's dog is named Mocha. Weird coincidence there. Can't believe Twitch is so dependent on the name of reorder by the nibboards, right? Rewrite the stream and roost? Yeah. Freaking broke half of GitHub will be down? Yeah. Only, right? Underscores to dashes. Change underscores to dashes. And then we can add a thing into this for auto update, but then I'll run it next week so that it doesn't happen halfway through. Every time I come here, I just think to myself, how much money would you have if you got 1 cent for every time somebody ran pre-commit? I can give you a pretty good estimate of that, just from GitHub stats. I haven't looked at this in a while, so I wonder if it's over 1 million now. Insights, traffic. Yep. 1.1 million clones per week. Oh, or per 2-week period. 500,000 clones a week. Over 100,000 clones a day. So yeah, I would have lots of money, but I don't because free software and yay, Prime party. But the dog Mocha has subbed with Prime. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad you enjoyed the content. Welcome. I forgot that I'm getting a new city provided recycling bin with wheels. Ooh, nice. Yeah, but I don't know. It would be nice if oh god. statics.teams.cdn.office.net. Terrifying. Does the clone count match the install count? No. That's the thing. This is undercounting. Because pre-commit heavily caches stuff, and so this clone count is much lower than the true value, which is fun. Apparently they have RFID embedded in them to align them with specific addresses. Oh, that's kind of cool. RFID in your trash can. Graphic design is my passion. Why do they have the unnecessary? I'm not gonna ask. But yeah, this is pretty nuts. I feel like this graph is high too, but for not, I don't know why. Also, what is this warble here? What is going on there? Purple Elf! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. How are you doing today? Let me get my little shout out going there. How was your stream? What were you working on? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python software. Today we're bumbling around in a bunch of different things. I am trying to fix the deadsnakes builds and apparently have fixed them, so I can resolve that prediction with a yes. Or, oh, I have mods. DDoS, can you resolve it yes for me? Thank you. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. Some of the things that I maintain are pre-commit, PyTest Talks, Flake8, deadsnakes, PyFlakes, PyUpgrade, and about 50 other things. Today, I was planning to do a whole bunch of other stuff with deadsnakes, but then I found an easier solution to the problem, and so I didn't bother rewriting it, and maybe I'll rewrite it some other day. And so now we're doing just a bunch of miscellaneous doodads and stuff, and refactoring, and cleaning some stuff up that I've been meaning to do for a while. But yeah, how was your stream? How did things go? Welcome, Abbas Babas, with raid message. Purple says, hi, what's good? Bunch of little things, just catching up on technical debt and refactoring some stuff. Yeah, it sounds like my stream. Yeah, that's what's going on. They should add blockchain. Oh god, no, please, please not. RFID trash cans in case your trash cans run away, right? Right? High topographies. Aren't you supposed to be making cylinders? Tom's on Twitch. Hello, how you doing? Split keyboard, yeah. Yeah, it is. I can kind of type on it. Wilfred says if you have any feelings for me, you will resolve it as no. Got resolved as yes. 43K goes to Grandpa's iPad and 6 others. We had a lot of believers. Nice. People steal bins all the time, but why? Why would they steal bins? I guess because they can carry stuff. I guess I kind of get it. I think more likely they blow away. The annoying thing about the garbage company that services my house is they leave the lids open after taking the trash and recycling, and so if it's ever raining, you get like a big puddle in the bottom. And for whatever reason, it's hard to get the puddle out of the trash can. You would think it would just evaporate, but it takes forever to get it out, so it does not. But yeah, a little bit annoying. But yeah. It takes me like 2 minutes to type a message because I need to wash my hands. Then just lurk. You don't have to. Maybe they really like recycling? Maybe. When they blow away, we'll know where they belong. You have it if they're all the same, who cares, right? In Germany, they'd rather steal shopping carts. Yeah, that happens a lot here too. I mean, look, if you're gonna steal something, you might as well take a bin too. Yup. Yup. Have you tried tipping the bin over? I have, and that gets most of the water out of it, ELA, but not all of it. Also, I realized that I forgot to say hi to you. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Yeah, it gets most of the water out, but it's plastic, so some of the surface tension makes it stick. And then you have wet trash can, which no one wants. The curse of chat. Hello, how you doing? Wolford says, I have beef with trash lids. On windy days in Indiana, the trash can lid is a challenge. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. Yeah. Did snow become concrete all of a sudden? I don't have snow right now. It's been raining. It sort of snowed today, but it was rain by the time I got to the ground. DL says they purchased just enough to cover all houses in the city, and I don't think they're going to stock extras, so we'll see how it goes. Oh no. With snow, it's even funnier since you can't really pour it out. Yeah, funnier. Yeah, that's yes, it's hilarious. It's hilarious when it doesn't work. Are you pending? That means it hasn't reached queue yet. Let's okay. Well, we're gonna check in on auto update day since clearly there's some queue backup here. All right, password. AWS. This one. Paste. Copy. Then I gotta get my. Worried about what email address it was showing there, but no, it's just my GitHub email. No, not Pokemon Go. What? Bad request? What do you mean? Is AWS login broken right now? I think AWS login is broken right now. That'd be really unfortunate. Try this again. Oh, it worked that time. Who fucking knows? Also, it looks like this is done now. 2 minutes of queue. Not great. Also, my credits have expired, so now I am paying out of pocket again. But what are you gonna do, I guess? Yeah, okay, Q is a little bit buggy. That's fine. Next week, trash can, since we get 2 bags for trash day. Literal bags on the curb? Oh. Gross. I guess New York does that. Well, which is why New York is kind of gross, but... Hepta, hello, how you doing? First Chat says, New Jam has a lot of abstraction. I don't know about... So reading code is like, what the fuck? Not like this? Yeah. Yeah. I keep trying to convince people that extra abstraction is not worth it. You don't need a data file when it just works in line. You don't need constants when it's just in line. Used once. So you're never going to change it. Eli says, I need to switch back to weekly so I have something to do on Mondays. Oh. Mm-hmm. It costs the city like $6 million to get recycling carts and will cost $8 million to do trash. Hefta says, imagine working in big tech. Lots of abstraction and tribal knowledge. Yeah. Yeah. Every industry has tribal knowledge. Just ask the software engineers in that industry. Yeah. Tribal knowledge is like domain, not even domain specific, but like company specific nonsense that's not written down. You just kind of have to know or learn. But yeah, you don't need constants for colons. Yeah. I'm so sick of Salesforce I could throw up. Yeah, I'm glad I don't do Salesforce stuff anymore. I did a little bit of it at Yelp and I was like, meh, nope, never want to do that again. No, thank you. A big NTY from me. Yeah, okay, let's finish this dead snakes thing. So if I reset this, and then we check out Ubuntu Focal, Ubuntu Jammy, and then we should be able to rerun this and be able to delete another email from my inbox, in theory. Main.yml failing. Also, I think I have... I just want to make sure this thing works. Yes, okay, good. Cool. But yeah, it's been emailing me every day for the last 3 days, and I figured it's time to fix it. Rerun all jobs. Yeah, otherwise it's not going to update. Do you know about PK chunking in Salesforce? I do not. Nor do I want to. People just make a trash in it, wonder why everything... Why everything is on fire, yeah. And what the fuck is Apex? Like, why? It's when I worked on some Oracle automation thing, they made their own scripting language. Oh, have you, what is it? SFDL? SFDL? Is that what it's called? Need not search this on screen. Salesforce has their own, like, domain-specific language. SOQL? Yes. No. Maybe. No, this looks too much like SQL. They had like a SFDC. Is that what it is? SFDC. I don't know. There's some Salesforce domain specific language, which is, but why? Why would they do this? SFDX? Oh, how you doing, Stonkfish? SFDX. Yeah, I think this is the thing I was thinking of, maybe. OCLIF? No, I don't fucking know. Anyway, I don't ever want to think about that or deal with that again. Fuck that noise. Gross Jet says Python code style looks like C with 1 or 2 letter variables everywhere. Oh no. Do you at least have types? Is there a type checker? Apex is a Salesforce language. Okay, maybe that's the one. Maybe I am just thinking of Apex. Maybe I am thinking of that. But yeah, fuck that. I don't want to deal with that at all. No, thank you. Get me the hell out of there. Okay. Leave that open. I guess we should do the change to the auto updater. Recommit CI auto updater. It is here. We have redirects. Why are these? Oh, they're in order by value. Yeah. This one's gonna need an OQA. Cool. Reorder underscore Python underscore imports. Reorder dash Python dash imports. Yeah, okay, cool. Visual Force, which is just JavaScript. They also completely revamped their UI experience, and now I can't find shit. Yeah, I hate when they rearrange stuff, but no types, and they recently migrated Python 3. So I can understand not having it. Like, that's fair. I feel like types makes migrating to Python 3 even easier. Stonkfish says, I'm a Salesforce consultant. Don't at me. It pays the bills. No, I mean, you go ahead and smack that money, Pinata. Just, yeah. Never in my life have I wanted to make a programming language because WAT and why. I thought about taking programming languages and deleting stuff for them. I guess I did that for Cheetah. First chat says, code was in Django 1.x for a while. Oh, you're on Django 3.x? Must be nice. Sentry is still stuck on 2.x, which is a pain. I would love to upgrade. Oh, actually, I was gonna rationalize that now that Canary works. Maybe I'll try and sneak that in. Add redirect or reorder Python imports. Oh, we were gonna do the one for AutoPip 8. Has AutoPip 8 made a release yet? March 3rd. When did I do this? March 11th. Fuck! Damn it! Make a new release, please. Ugh. Has there been changes? March 19th. Oh. Wait, why did they recommit my commits as their commits? Oh, because they added... Oh. Cool. They added a pre-commit configuration. So they're using pre-commit. I understand. Migrating from old Django versus new ones is really, really painful. Yeah, it fucking sucks. Hello, any thoughts on making a release? No, I will not do that. I will be waiting for your video on how we can get around them removing tils. I mean, you can pip install setup tools and cry a little. That's unfortunately the best way. Which, is not the greatest. Data, how do I check that? Oh, we need more information on that. It's fine. Cool. Cool. I wonder... Do I have the stats graph open still? No. No, go away. Graphic. I wanted to see what it looks like for some of the other things that I've written. Like pie upgrade. How many clones do you get a week? 100k? Order Python imports. I'm surprised how small this is. What other things have I written? Oh, we can look at Flake8. I think I'm finally an admin in Flake8, so I can look at this now. CQA Flake8. Ooh, okay. Kexit! Ho ho ho! Thank you for the resub at tier 2 for 8 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Go get some sleep. I appreciate you stopping by. Have a good one. Future F strings. Yeah, well, that one doesn't show clones, but I recently learned that it has gotten even more downloads for some fucking reason that I have no idea. Future F strings. Is this the website that I want? Yeah. Why is the slope on this positive? What happened? Why? Why? Well, thank you for stopping by, Kexit. Have a good one. I'll see you around. Why is the slope on this positive? Who did this? But why? Let's see if we can see what version. Linux. For a while there were a lot of Darwin downloads. That means it's real people. That's what's even more terrifying. What Python versions? 3.5 is most of them. What is yellow? 3.8? But why? Anything above 3.6 shouldn't be here. Very strange. A lot of people are running 3.5 though. Very strange. Very, very strange. What are the blue ones? What are you, blue? 3.9. Does not make sense. What's even weirder is we barely see 2.7 on this graph. But that's what it was made for. Huh. Weird. That means it's real people? Yeah. Well, usually you just see like 99% Linux, which is like CI systems. Or unknown, which I don't know what that means, but it's terrifying how much this gets used. I think it's my second most behind Precommit of things I've created. Like Precommit gets, actually maybe Precommit gets way more. Precommit gets 5 times as many downloads? 10 times as many downloads. So 10 mil a month versus 900K a month. But I don't know what else is even close to that. Like PyUpgrade? Well, PyUpgrade's half as popular as future F strings. Let's look at tokenized RT. That's a little bit more. This is likely to be high because it's depended on by all my tools. Yeah, 2 million a month. Okay, so future F strings is my 3rd most popular PyPI package. Also, this package was deemed critical as of a few days ago. AST pretty. I don't know why. It does not make sense to me why this is critical or why so many people download this. Yeah, especially when the biggest proportion is 3.7, that always makes me a little bit confused. I feel like people just don't know about PyUpgrade. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I don't really try and advertise it. The Dev Dad, hello, how you doing? What do you mean critical? Let me log into PyPI and show you what I mean. Up here on this browser. Ooh, does my security key work here? Oh, it does. Look at that. Okay, so on PyPI, some projects get marked as critical projects, which means that they, I don't remember how they define it, but it's like you cannot delete them, sort of thing, because so many people use them. But recently, AST Pretty became a critical project. The email that it sends is terrible. Also, this is not receiving updates anymore, so don't know why this is critical, but okay, sure. Dabby is not Cry Party, but AST Pretty was recently added as a critical project, which is like, I wonder if CodeCov was critical when they deleted it. Wait, yeah, how did that work? Wait a minute. How did they because surely it had enough downloads to get critical status given how many people were fucking pissed. Very strange. I don't know. Try to delete AST-Prettier experiments? No. I could maybe delete one of these. Because this is also dead. Actually, anything below here is definitely dead. This is also dead. Oh, this isn't dead. I just haven't had to make a release of it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, anyway. That's what Critical Project is, for whatever reason. But yeah, I will continue being sad that a prank project is my third most downloaded thing. Lovekey, hello, how you doing? Wasn't PyPI the ones who actually removed it? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I forgot how much stuff you've made. I don't know how you have time. Yeah, I don't know why I've done all of that. I think I'm gonna get rid of the Twitter button on here. Because Twitter has lost its relevance. And I think it's a bunch of blocking JavaScript garbage. You don't asking the hard question about the stupidity of rules on PyPI? Yeah. I deleted my Twitter yesterday. Twitter's trash. I wish I could rationalize deleting mine. But I kind of need it for like stream and stuff. Bye bye Twitter. Remove Twitter button from remove Twitter button. We don't even need to say from what, because obviously it's from this, because that's what we're doing. Oh, did I? Sorry, having a little bit of ADD right now. Did I custom? Oh, do they make releases though? Or do they just publish tags? No, that's a release. Okay. I'm going to watch releases so that I get notified when the next release is made, and then I can make a redirect rule. Oh, speaking of redirect rules, I forgot to actually push that PR. I should maybe do that. Bloop. Enable auto merge, cool. I'm gonna leave this open so that I remember to merge it later. I'm not gonna merge it until auto update day is done though, because I don't really want to get half done things. I deleted my Twitter yesterday. Twitter's trash. I only used it to get scores for sports. Now I have cable. Oh. How do you even get sports scores on Twitter? I didn't even know that was a thing. But I also don't really sports, so I know a few things about baseball, but that's about it. Wait. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. I was like, how do you not have the most commits on your own project? But I forgot that I think it was originally Steve's project, and then Hideo took over it. Crunching the latest data, hang tight. It's not that many commits, just do it. The Explore page? Huh. When I followed sports, which was not really a long time ago, I would just go to sports.yahoo.com. That gives you any sort of understanding of the era of when sports was a sports thing for me. Yeah, this makes sense. Oh, but interesting. But yeah, I don't know that Steven has done much in a while. Not really. No public activity at least. But used to work on Autoflake, I want to say, which is a thing. This used to be Steven's project. But huh, yeah. I wonder how Yahoo is still around. I think, didn't Verizon buy them or something? And I'm sure that it still gets a lot of views. I mean, I use them for email, for my spam email. Okay, this is still running. I think I closed a plort. Yeah, this is also still wild to me. But yeah, Fleegate is deprecated. Oh, it auto-merged. Okay, I didn't even have to do anything. Yeah, so tweet button should be gone. Cool. And actually, maybe I should move this up over here. Yeah. How does this work? Where is the buttons? Like so? Let's see what that does. I'm sleepy. Just a little bit sleepy. Deprecated for what though? I was memeing. I've gotten a bunch of people tell me that Flake8 is deprecated for rough and be like, yeah, and all right, cool. I don't have to deal with you in my issue tracker. Bye. Oh, that looks like shit. Never mind, we're not doing this. We're gonna pretend we never saw that. Bye. That was a bad idea. All right, let's see if I can fix that thing in talks that prevents me from upgrading, and then be sad about upgrading for other reasons. I'm still running talks 3. Actually, we should also make sure that I'm not using imp and I'm not gonna be sad. All repos, rep, imp, in startup py. Also, I haven't run this in a while, so let's get everything up to date. Me and Talks have beef. I don't know what they did, but I have beef with whatever it is. Yeah. I mean, oh boy. Talks is bootstrapping Talks inside of Talks. Right. That is, I guess, predictable. Yeah, I feel like the new output is noisy and also noisy and kind of annoying. Whatever. I'm sure it's good in its own realm and it kind of works for the stuff that I need it to. Oh wait, did I undo all the ones that I did here? Pigments. Yeah, I wonder if I can remove this now. I don't remember why I changed it, but we'll try those. Yay, more distraction. Why did I do this? Force old talks to work around talks bug. I should assume it's going to succeed, and we'll make up here for that. Do. Because surely this has been fixed by now, right? We need a stack add command to track where in the stack we are in the bank today. Yeah. Wolford says, Anthon, what moisturizer to use? This is the last hand lotion that I bought. But this was the only one that was at the Walgreens in Utah. So I wouldn't necessarily say this is the one that I prefer or use. This just happens to be the one that's on my desk right now. I'm not very particular about lotion and moisturizers. This one's pretty nice though. I like the way it smells. And sometimes, like, it claims that it lasts through hand washing, which it does a little bit, but I'm usually not a lotion person. I usually don't have dry hands, but this winter has been different. Okay, this looks like it's working, so I guess we'll ready for review. Oh, the other thing that I want to do is I wanted to make a collector for these. Oh, I spoke too soon. Key error. Why? But why? Why is this environment variable not available at setup time? Okay, I guess this is not fixed. Lol. Yeah, let's try the other one then. Use talks 4. Maybe we'll try and fix that other thing too. Oh, fuck off. Windows, yeah. I need something. My hands are desperate. This cocoa butter ain't cutting it. Yeah, this is the one that is going to fail if it's going to fail. Oh, but the problem is... Oh, this is just going to skip. Yeah, that's how this thing works. Nope, still fucked. But... only for this? Maybe not so bad. My hands are totally fucked too. Vaseline, eczema, calming works great. I just forget to use it. Yeah. I understand that as well. Forgetting to do things is tricky. I was using Aquaphor on my hands for a while, but it's like using lube and it's hella sticky. Yeah. Yeah, just get lubed up. That's I guess if that works. Okay, this is still fucked, so clearly this doesn't fix. Okay, that's done. Okay, so this is not fixed either. It should allow scripts in the local directory. I don't know why it doesn't let it do that. Allie, how you doing? How was your stream? What were you up to? This is the third raid today. Indeed. Yeah, sometimes we get a bunch. Sometimes we get not so many. Raids are cool. How was your stream? What were you working on? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. Today, we're doing a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. The first thing that we did was attempt to fix dead snakes with some weird stuff. Now we're just letting the ADHD ride. We're just trying to do random things and hanging out and talking to chat, because that's how things go. But my name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. I maintain a bunch of things that you may have heard of, such as Precommit, Talks, Flake8, Dead Snakes, PyFlakes, PyUpgrade, and about 50 other projects. But yeah, welcome. Hopefully your stream went well. And my viewers should check out Allie as well. Topography says, O'Keefe's Working Hands, weird AF name, I know, is what got me through having eczema and working in kitchens, washing hands like every 5 minutes with alcohol. So yeah, that sounds awful. That sounds awful. But yes, third rate today. I'm gonna assume that Jammy's gonna work since Focal worked, so we're gonna ignore that, and I can delete this from my inbox and not have to worry about it anymore. Then I can delete these 3 CI failures, and we're down to only 1 email that I have to deal with. That one's actually just document. Actually, fuck it, we'll just do it. Fuck it, we'll do it that one. So it turns out, actually I wanted to look at how this works. So they ran into like a weird thing, and it turns out that Precommit CI Lite does not work if it's inside of a workflow with other stuff that is slower. So it needs to be in its own workflow, annoyingly. But I wanted to see if there's a way to get around that. So there's an API for looking up a artifact. And I wonder if there's a way to just download it directly by name. GitHub API is called actions artifacts. Like, do you have like a decent name? Also, why are you so? Oh, I hate when they do this. Oh, it's not actually a text area. Oh, it is a... No, it's a code. Annoying. It doesn't have the little, It doesn't let it get big. Fuck. I want to see the code. Get an artifact. Yeah, so you retrieve them by artifact ID, which is the problem. So I feel like there isn't a way to get one by name. But let's try this. Ace Utility 2 demo light. Yeah, this just gets it by ID. So you can't look them up by name, annoyingly. Okay, so we'll just document the restriction. It also says, anything gonna put that pre-run action in with one that's just thread sleep a bajillion? Yeah, I also have to fix the code so it doesn't error in that case. But hello, how are you doing? Good to see you again. The MOTD is no longer correct. Now we're just doing random shit. I don't have a good name for it, but or good yeah, I don't know what to put in there. That's the words that I'm trying to mouth. Other than nothing, yeah. Yeah. But how are you? How are things? Temple light dot this or the CSS. Yeah, totally no problems there. Oh, it's in the content, right? Content light.md. Add another note. Note. The precommit. The precommit. The job must be in a workflow by itself, or it will not successfully. The job must either be in a workflow by itself or be the last job in the workflow. Let's see. The step must be contained in a job which is either by itself in the workflow or is the last job to finish in the workflow. The step must be contained in a job which is either by itself in the workflow or is the last job to finish in the workflow. It seems like it's the right thing. Part of the people we here to do maintenance, yeah. Doing well, vibing on a chill Monday. Nice, nice, nice. They scale the size of that box to the height of your window. That's so dumb. There's no way that's accessible. Note about separate workflow. Add note about light needing to be in a separate workflow. It's not hard to find as a percentage. They do it in JavaScript. Yeah, very annoying. Just code on a 70-inch TV. Yeah, vertical 70-inch TV. That's how we have to see GitHub code samples. The worst. The absolute worst. Where is that issue? This one. And then we have to update the actual code to handle this. Actually, we don't have to update the code. Yeah, we'll leave the code for now because I need to figure out a way. I need to add retries basically. Yeah, I need to add retries, which I have not. But that'll happen at some point. Anyway, we're gonna let that merge. What else was I doing? Oh, and I can delete this from my inbox now. So I'm gonna change this to results. Was I fast enough? Yeah, precommit CI is queued. Yeah, the queue is 8 back right now, which makes sense. Getting our little scale up, scale down there. Cool. Well, the other thing that I wanted to check on is the auto update dead letter, because we don't get to look at that one very often. I have not seen the number be non-zero. Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Oh, hey, pre-commit past 10K. That's cool. Oh, this is done, which means this merged. Sweet. Okay, cool. And then the other thing are just events that I have to go to. Maintainers Summit. And that's gonna be. Okay. Yeah, reorder by the numbers doesn't really intend to support PI. It would probably work, but I don't know if this got improved. Why did we get 3 different people reacting to that? Is instance checks on union types have been sped up in 3.11, but they're indeed quite a bit slower on 3.10. Interesting. Okay, well. John MV1! Thank you for the resub at 14 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. How you doing? Anthony's MOTD is just clearing out my email inbox at this rate. Yeah, I mean, I'm down to just these ones, so pretty good. Oh, I wonder if I have enough disk space to build Dart from source. That one's been in my inbox since 2021. Let's see. Building Dart from source. Do we finally clear out the Dart one? Building, here we go. Oh my god. You must follow the instructions for getting the source before attempting to build. Just cloning the GitHub repo or downloading and unpacking zip will not work. Christ. Notification when the build is done. Oh boy. I guess we can try and build this in Docker. Yeah, let's try it. How much disk space do we have? 73 gigs. Surely that'll be enough, right? Ubuntu Jammy Bash. I'm gonna install CA certificates because there's no way that it's gonna get away without that. I would be extremely surprised if that's the only dependencies. But we'll find out, I guess. I barely remember why we were building Dart in the first place. I want to say it was like some weird permissions thing. And, alright, how do we do this? Git clone this. Put it on the path. Alright, cool. And then what? This? Dart SDK uses G client to manage dependencies. Okay. What is it doing? Python 3. It's doing things. Always touch the ignore? No. Don't do that. Libby. I feel like there's something at Flickgate to look at too. Yeah, let's just get distracted while this is running. I love when something is like, it worked in 3.7, but no longer works in 6. It's like, okay. Yeah, I don't really have an incentive to work on Flickgate, given it might just die and that might just be okay. Worked in 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, but nobody works in 7. Yeah. Did you go Burr? Yeah. I wonder why it seems to be doing a full clone for these. Holy shit, yeah, like why is it downloading 1.5 gigs? When you have to specify a special argument to get to make it clone. Holy shit. Blastway says, I'm using an M2 Air, like it so far. What I don't like is I can't use Linux on Metal. Yeah. There is the, what is the Linux distro? There's some Linux distro that should work with it. To a virtual machine, I have to buy Parallels. You can use UMK. Is that what it's called? UMK? Although I don't know if M1, M2 is different. Asahi, yeah. UTM? Yeah, that's probably what it's called. I don't fucking know. That at least works for M1, but I assume M2 is not different. Have you tried UTM? It doesn't support M2? They should be basically the same. I feel like M2 is just M1 plus Burr rather than any major changes. Asahi? I don't know why they wouldn't though. Yeah, July 2022. Seems like it would work. Seems like it should work. It should just support any ARM64 ARC. Yeah. This also seems to indicate that Asahi has been supported for 6 months plus. Well, almost a year. I have to remember that it is not the beginning of 2023 anymore. Some time has gone by. Wow, 300% usage by Git. How much disk have we used so far? It claims that we have not used any disk yet. That seems fake. That seems very fake. Although, isn't Docker run in this directory? Dale says, Anthony, you're developing something hitting a generic endpoint. What would you put as the default connection time at? 60 seconds or 900 seconds? Well, 900 is default TCP timeout. I would probably put like 10 seconds. That's my go-to. I don't know what to timeout, so I'm gonna use this. Although if I were answering the question for a professional project, I would probably profile it over some period of time to get an understanding of the variance of their usual response times with some exceedingly high timeout, and then pick something that's like 2x the like P99 as like a decent bound that doesn't waste too much time. Ah, we have already failed. We don't have XZ. What is XZ? Zlib? XZ-utils. Well, we can at least... was this a reamd? Oh, it's a wiki. Okay, so... Now that we have that, let's run this again. Your current directory appears to already contain or be part of a checkout. G-client sync? Delete the checkout and start over. Fuck me. Well, here we go again. 900 seconds ends up being 4,500 seconds with 5 requests. Oh no. Dr. Mark Hughes says Dart May 2nd, 2023. Well, it's May 1st for me, but you can also, there's a specific command for that. You can do this. I actually don't super care about fixing this, but it seems like something to kill one thing in my inbox, which is enough of its own reward. Did I clean out the issues here? Oh, I didn't. Yeah. Oh, we have to update the docs, right? I should have done depth 1. Sections CLI auto update. -j/jobs. Jobs. Number of threads to use default 1. Number of threads to use. I should put new in 330. Default 1. Update docs for pre-commit 330. Sporat says, might be something you've answered before, but any reason you don't use something like tmux? Because tmux sucks. Tmux is how you want to reduce your effectiveness by adding a bunch of keyboard shortcuts that make things worse. And because does it look like I need tmux? I do fine without it. Still working on, yes. Okay, cool. Wait, why did it clone so much faster than the last time? Weird. Weird. Very weird. Okay, anyway. Did I update the docs for 320? Local network cache? Yeah, I wish. I don't think there's such a thing. Yeah, we did. That was the default stage of stuff. Most of my throat is not happy. You don't have a server that runs a local network cache for all requests? I don't know how I do that for HTTPS. I guess I could inject my... Oh, God. Oh, God. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why is it trying to extract an entire GCC tool chain? Install sysroot. Tar xf tarball -c sysroot. They probably want. What's the Noah UID thing? There's a thing for this. Same owner? Not same owner. No same owner. Right? Is that what they want? But this is probably, I don't even know where this comes from. Debbie and Stretch? Where do we see Stretch? Oh, wait, why is it ARM? Am I accidentally emulating this? No. Why is it ARM? World may never know. Okay. Yeah, we can do this. Hooray! Where does this code come from? Chromium? Oh, they finally ported their scripts to Python 3. 1.2 million commits. God damn. Ah, build Linux sysroot. So surely we can use GNU options, right? Wait, I don't. Oh, it's in here. Remove from future import print function. Nice. Well, then clearly they don't care about this, right? Also, isn't -C, isn't this not supported in BSD? BSD tar man page. Oh, they have long ops now. Interesting. Yeah, they have no same owner. Well, let's see if it fixes this. Oh, also, we're gonna have to start over again. We're gonna try sync because fuck this. I think the fetch command tells us the error, right? And tells us what to do. Decline sync. Compiler proxy is not running. Really dash XF, but chromium source, yeah. You're back with ice cream. Ooh, ice cream sounds good. You must specify one of ACD trucks or delete options. Try this then. Ice cream does sound good. Maybe I should grab a bowl or 2 or 3. Just eat the entire pint at that point. Fuck it. Okay, that worked. If you're going to turn off frequency I for one repo, the email chain is up to 82 replies for auto update. Nice. So in theory that worked. Do they accept pull requests here? Let's see. Make the readme more professional. Ghost. Hmm. Hmm. Don't use git clone. Yeah. Hmm. It's not a bug. Oh no. Anyway, let's ignore that for now. Let's see if we can get further with the building this. Blah blah blah. And then run the thing. Seems to kind of be doing things, maybe. How much disk have we used up? Oh, what the fuck? Wait, didn't it say I had 70 gigs available at the start? Why do I only have 10 gigs now? What? I only have 4.5. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why I said 10. That's only 15 gigs. Where are all the G's going then? You didn't realize I had stream muted? Oh, oops. Pint of Ben & Jerry's, nice. You know, Anthony, I don't know how you do it. The all-white text be hurting my eyes sometimes when I try and parse it. Yeah. I'm just trying not to read it. Blast Wave says WTF, yeah. Size minus used equals 10. True. The free must be just like deleted files. Thought he was just hyper-focused. Yeah, imagine, right? Then what the fuck is using all this disk space? Where did it go? I realize that, I guess the container file system is not necessarily the exact same. What? In a while. Oh my god, we've got another person. We've got another person. I don't understand why people have this obsession with being like, you should use this tool that you're not using. Maybe you thought. Maybe. Maybe think about it a little bit. Maybe there's a reason that people don't use it. Just let people do whatever they want to do. Feels like we need a block term. I feel like tmux gets used for other stuff, unfortunately. Like if we ever work on the Bowie stuff again, tmux is kind of useful to talk about there. So it's probably not banned term territory, but some senior Google software engineer published a best practices blog post. They all read it. Yeah. You're probably not wrong. Or some influencer was like, these are the tools that I use that everyone should use, and then you're not a real rockstar programmer unless you use Vim or NeoVim with 120 different plugins that, you know, scratch your butt when you exit a file or some fucking shit. I don't know. tmux is the best tool to become a 10x engineer. Yeah. The tools you need to become a 10x engineer, and it's just like, here's a bunch of workflow garbage that you're going to spend hundreds of hours of maintaining and never get back all that time. But you only need LSP and FSV. Yeah, until you need a plugin to manage your LSPs, and then you need, you know, a fuzzy finder plugin for the fuzzy finder. Anyway, I just think it's silly to hop in someone's stream and be like, you should change what you're doing to something else that you're not using because blah blah blah. And it's like just let me do my thing. I didn't mean that in a bad sense. Yeah, but the way you phrased it is different. Like if you would have said, I'm curious about your workflow, I noticed you're not using tmux, like do you have a particular reason for that, versus what you hopped in and said, it says, have you considered using, which is a little bit different. It's more like no, I think you should be using this, but you're not. Have you thought about it yet? Which of course I've thought about it. I've been fucking around with software for decades at this point, and I've been streaming for years, and like obviously I have thought about using a terminal multiplexer, but it's also very clear that I'm not. Silly Buttons, hello, how you doing? You can still cheer one. That still does enable Vim mode. It still does that. Have you considered writing in Pascal rather than a dead language like Python? Yeah, exactly. Wolfert says it's more like you're telling him what to do. Yeah, exactly. And I also suspect, maybe I'm wrong, that that your original message got blocked, because I have a bunch of similar phrases to like, have you considered using, blocked because people hop in here and say, you should do X or you should do Y, and it's like, no, I think I'm pretty happy doing what I'm already doing. But Puzzler just asked easily because the dual terminal is an odd workflow. Yeah, but it works. Yeah. The wise words of Anthony, don't tell people what to do. Yeah, and also I feel like I scammed you out of Vim bits there, Silly Buttons, so I'm gonna we'll use a little Vim for you. But how you doing, Silly Buttons? Good to see you again. Have you tried cutting upside down so you're right side up for Australians? Yeah. We're starting our 10x Australian development where we are instead upside down. Chromium, submit a patch. Oh my fucking god. How do I get your patch into the Linux kernel? No. I don't know. Contributing, here we go. Never mind, I'll go fuck myself. Nope. Fuck that noise. Hey, we're a third of the way through building. Maybe. First read this 300-page article. Yeah. 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 But, anyway. We're gonna just let that build in the background and maybe work on something else. Because I feel like working on something else. Was I ever gonna finish this? I'll definitely start off and go from there in January. I will. Interest of falling into minor release. Yeah, okay, so that exists. This is... this is tough to do. Oh. This is one of those depend about like things where it puts all the nonsense source in here. Oh, at least they've wait, 8203, that's a zero space, right? Unicode data dot name 8203. Did I get the what? That's not the right character. Is that not what this is? Oh, is this in oh yeah, it's in decimal for some reason. 200B 0 space. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought it was. Did you see that Microsoft is rewriting some of Windows 11 and Rust? I did. Yeah, they're replacing some of the kernel parts. Do you have enough disk space to do something else? Maybe not. Maybe not. It's slowly decreasing. Yeah, I think we're gonna run out of disk space. But fuck it, we'll let it run to the end of the world. Let's maybe free up some by doing this. We can get some disk space back. Ruby junk. Really, we don't need that. That'll give us some space, right? Yeah, that gave us 10 gigs. That's good. Hey, what's up, Terminal Root? Welcome, welcome. Did you just start from scratch? I think there's too much history in the Windows kernel to really do that. Sally Prosper, hello, hello. How you doing? Create something separate from Windows? Yeah, but I don't know how anyone would use it, and I feel like people would just... I think it would be better if Microsoft just like contributed to Linux or something. I mean, they do that as well. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna let this build. I think it's gonna take forever. I'm kind of bored. I'm probably gonna wrap up stream here, and we'll resume on the next day that we stream, which is probably Saturday. Let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. We're now trying to do once a week, so we're no longer doing our 3 times a week. Maybe we'll upload bonus videos occasionally, but check out that. Subscribe there. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Oh wait, I skipped one thing. yes, if you missed any part of the stream, you can check out my second channel, which is the VODs channel. That's where the VODs show up now. They no longer show up on Twitch because of DMCA garbage. But I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams at two places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what we're going to work on. Yeah, we didn't end up doing the graphs nonsense, but that's fine. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little community. There's a bunch of fun social channels, and there's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, and a bunch of smart people that can help you out there. But that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.